Hey, welcome back, Fruitcakes. We're gonna do a little tiling here today. So we're gonna put this backsplash in. I'm at the flip. This flip is so close to being done, it's not even funny. Got floors, doors, most of the trim in. Showers are all top. So we're gonna use. I'm gonna slap them on here, run them up here, all the way out both sides. So put some glue on. Hey, like and subscribe.
Do it now. Right now.
You're messing around. We'll take it no more. Can't get this lid off. Holy smokes, it's on there like permanent. This lid's on here. They must have put it on with the glue. There you go. There you go. You tough guy. I'm gonna use this little tiny. So what I did here was I'm going to use the glue on. I'm going to slide it in there, screw it through up here, stick my drywall here, screw it to it. You don't need nothing, you know, super fancy, because this really isn't. I'm going to put one in here so I can grab a hold of this thing. Ideally, you want to put one below it as well, but I've already tiled that, as you can see. So that ain't happening. It grabs a hold of it. And I'll put a second one in there for good measure, nice and solid. And I'll stick this in here like so. And I'll put one of these on it. That's odd. Maybe the Luan's not the best thing to use. But I don't care. Got ourselves a block here. That's good enough for me. Alright, now put some glue over that and move on. Once this glue dries, it'll be really strong. Because the glue will be holding the tile. And the tile will be holding the drywall. Everything works in concert. Uh-oh. I'll cut. Okay. I wonder if my scoring thing will cut these. I'm gonna cut it down. Whoa, good one. Quick reminder, you got your tools, take care of your tools. When you're done working, clean them up. Doesn't matter if you're doing a one-time job or your 100th job. If you're doing your 100th job, then you already know. Take care of your tools. Keep them clean. They'll last you many, many years.
Here's the 3-1. Hit high and deep in the left. Connor Tate parks it in the parking lot. A prodigious blast. He's on
A prodigious blast.
It's 7-0 Georgia.
So here we are. Got our outlets cut out. Corner back there. And we got our behind the stove. There's gonna be a big hood, range hood going in here. That's why I left that area right there like that. It's gonna be a box cover and all that. Looks good. So that's it. Took me about 3 or 4 hours to do all that. So the flip is coming along. I'll be out of here in another week or two. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to sub. I'll see you. Bye-bye.